Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Astro A30 gaming headset with any iPhone. So first of all, we need to grab our headphones and we have to focus on the right headphone where we can find the power button. We have to click and hold it until indicator right here turns on. Next, you can simply release that button, and then we have to use this Bluetooth button. We have to click and hold it until indicator starts blinking. There it is. Right now we are able to release the buttons, and we have to go to the settings on our iPhone. So go to the Bluetooth, turn it on with the switcher, and then select Astro A30 from the Bluetooth list. As you can see, we are successfully connected. And next, we have to open the App Store and download the Logitech G Mobile application. That's the application that we have to get. So click Get. Now click Install. I have to input my password, so let me do this out of the camera. Okay, right now downloading is on the way, so after a few moments we'll be able to open this application where we'll be able to find more features, like for example the sound equalizer. We can switch between the PC and the console mode, and also we'll be able to update the firmware. So finally we can open this application and let's see how it works on the iOS, because on the Android you'll be already connected. So first of all, we have to click to scan for the devices, click OK. It's right now looking for the nearby devices, but we are already connected, so let's take a look. Okay, looks like the device is found. So click right here on the plus, click next. We can set the name for our headset. I'm gonna stay with the default. Click next. We can share analytics data. I'm gonna skip this one. Click continue, and finally we can make the simple tour to find some features of our headset. I'm gonna skip this one, and that's it. As you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.